Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you 3 easy hairstyles that I prefer to do on my long hair. They are heatless, they are safe for your hair. I prefer to not damage my hair, so I'm going to show you that today and hopefully you'll like it. Okay, so for style number 1, I'm going to do the hair wrap. You wrap your hair around it and it looks beautiful. A lot of Afro-Latinas like to do this to save their hair from like damage, or a lot of like my natural curly haired girls prefer this style, you know, just to put their hair away, make sure they don't get any like debris or dirt, dust, or just to like protect their hair. They prefer to do this. It could just be for fashion. I liked it. I saw it a few times on my YouTube feed and I was like, oh, I'm gonna try that. I have really long hair, so I'm hoping that I can do that as well. I saw that a few people with really long dreads were doing this, so I was like, if they have really long dreads, their hair must be heavy, which mine is, and it should work for mine as well. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Okay, so you're gonna need, well, I'm personally going to use only 3 things for this, which are actually only 2 things. I will have my scrunchie, my seamless scrunchie. It doesn't have like one of those ends, it's not gonna snap. It stretches pretty wide and it's perfect to protect your hair. It's not gonna rip your hair as easy. I get these from Amazon and also like my beauty supply stores that I have close by. You can get those there. They're about like $1 for like 10 or something like that. And then I have my hair wrap, which is right here. It's pretty large. I got this from Amazon. A girl recommended these, so I looked them up and I got them. I got a few colors for myself. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just put my hair in a bun and then we'll begin with the wrapping. Okay, so my bun is done. I'm not perfect at wrapping, so please don't judge me for that. I've only been practicing, but I like the results I get. A lot of the people that I do watch, like a lot of them leave some edges out, and I'll try to, but if not, then it's fine. It doesn't bother me. I usually like either bring it down more, or I'll just leave it, you know, up a little bit so you can see a little bit of my hair and then some of my edges. But unless I'm going out, I don't really care too much for that. So now I'm going to put the one without the seams. This part, not the bottom part with the ruffles. I'm gonna put this part in the back of my head. And then I'm gonna bring it around like this. Twist it, or not twist it, just crisscross it. Do it one more time just to secure it, possibly another time. And then I'm gonna start twisting this part. Put it around. Twisting this part. Doing that. And then you tuck it. This one's not super tight, so I don't feel that it's very secure, but it's gonna be secure enough to stay. So this is what I do just to keep my hair out of the way. I think it's really cute. You could either like do some makeup, or you can leave yourself barefaced. I personally, I'm like this all day long for like maybe 6 days out of the week. Most of the time 7 days out of the week, but I prefer not doing my makeup. I don't like to get makeup on this, but you definitely can, like if you're going out, just to make it a cute look. But this is one of the styles. I will bring you guys closer. And I think it's really cute. I'm trying to figure out different ways to do it. You could always tuck these in. And yeah, so we'll take you to hairstyle number 2. Most of my hairstyles have a lot to do with braiding. I just enjoy braiding. It doesn't pull on my hair too much. I don't like to stress my edges because I realized I was putting my hair up in a bun way too much and I was ripping my hair out. So now I have like bangs for edges. See, like my edges are pretty long. So I'm trying to let those grow out and not be so stressed out. So what I like to do is I like to braid my hair. I'm at work most of the time, so I will just do one braid down, or like a braid that starts here, just to make sure it's not out like this, because it becomes a problem. So I'm gonna show you guys my hairstyle number 2, and I hope you guys can follow along and hopefully try this at home if you guys have long hair. You can do it too if you have short hair, doesn't matter. Okay, so usually I begin sectioning off a little piece in the middle of my hair. Okay, so I section off 3 sections of my hair. With my right hand, I will grab the left hand section, then grab the middle section, and then with my left hand, I'll grab the right section, bring it down, same thing again, and then I will grab a portion here, and just keep doing that. Once I grab the section on the corner, I will bring a piece of hair and just incorporate it. Okay, so I'm already at the back section. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. Where can I show you? There you go. Grab a little scrunchie. And that is it. This is the section where it usually like starts going wrong because I can't see it. But I usually just do one braid, so it'll keep my hair out of the way. And it's gonna, when I let it go, it's gonna feel super soft. So yeah, that's hairstyle number 2, and hopefully you guys like hairstyle number 3. Now I'm gonna show you my hairstyle number 3. My hairstyle number 3 is basically 2 braids down the middle, and honestly it's my favorite hairstyle because it looks good. Although it is lacy, it looks really good, it's super easy, and it just keeps my hair protected. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so for this I'm gonna use one scrunchie, the same scrunchie I used before, 2 of my little elastic bands, and then my paddle brush, which is filled with hair right now. I usually just part my hair in the middle, then I brush through it. Okay, so now I'm gonna tie up one of the sides. Okay, so I used to do my braids, the ones that were closer to your hair down here, but I've been liking the ones that go this way, so I'm gonna show you how I do that. Alright, so I grab a little section like I did on my hairstyle number 2. I section it. This is gonna be a little hard because I have no mirror. Okay, and then I do the same thing. I like to do like a little braid up here first. And then I grab another section. Grab another section. Okay, so 10 years later, but we're finished with the first one. I can't really tell if it's good or not, but it feels good. I don't think anything went wrong. But yeah, that's the first one. So let me do the other one. Sometimes I section it off a little sideways, so I end up grabbing less hair for one side than the other. That's fine. Sometimes I kind of like it that this one's like smaller. Usually when that happens, I prefer it to like the part to be a little to the side or a little to this side, but it's fine. So now I'm gonna do the other one. So I'm gonna speed this up for you guys so you guys don't watch paint dry.
It's legitimately embarrassing.
Okay, so I'm finally done. So after braiding for about an eternity, that's the word, I'm finally done. So this is what I usually do. Sometimes, like I said before, I slick down my edges, make them all cute. Most of the time I don't, because I'm just home or at work. So this is my hair. Hopefully you guys can see it. The braids are cute. They're not super tight because I don't want to pull on my scalp. So I like that, because I could just do these every day and not have to worry about, you know, messing them up. Sometimes I do sleep in them as well. But here they are. Super satisfying. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed those videos. I'll come up with more videos about my hair. Okay guys, so that is it. Those are all 3 hairstyles that I do most of the time. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm probably gonna come up with a few more things to post in the coming weeks. So hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.